Hi, Emotherapy. I see you on Amazon, but are you the brand that customers click or the one they skip? Let's take a closer look for your product, which is the Pain Relief Cream. First, congrats on your Amazon's Choice badge. I know how tricky Amazon's policies can be, so achieving this is a job well done. I'm Kim. I'm a business development representative from My Amazon Guy, and in this video, I'll be covering tips to improve your SEO, traffic, and conversion rate. First, let's talk about traffic. What really drives traffic to your listings comes down to your keywords. Using our tool and looking at your distribution here, I can see you are organically banking for 600 keywords, and you are supporting that with around 77 paid keywords. This can still be improved as there are actually thousands of additional keywords that you could be indexing here. We also recommend the golden ratio of 1 is to 2 here, which is 1 paid for every 2 organic to index more better. Since your keywords are less than 1,000, we could do a keyword gap analysis to analyze it. And going down here, you will find your highest search keyword in your own category. Right now, we are looking at the biggest traffic opportunities for your product. For this keyword phrase, which is emo oil, with 11,000 searches, you are organically ranking here at 256. What this means is that customers have to scroll through over 256 listings plus sponsored ads before they can find your product. And this is limiting your exposure here because you're buried deep in the search results. For this other keyword phrase, which is pain relief cream with 11,000 searches, you are not indexing here. What that means is that whenever a customer searches for this keyword phrase in Amazon, you are not being seen here at all. And this is such a missed opportunity for you because imagine the increase in sales if 11,000 customers can find you using the keyword phrase right over here. Now, we can help you with your keywords here. We can help you push these rankings up as well, ideally into a single digit number because that is where buyers click and that is where the sales happen. Now let me show you how big your category is in Amazon. This is just in the top 50 listing for one keyword phrase, which is pain relief cream. And as you can see, there is a total revenue of $17 million per month, and sellers are averaging around $285,000 per month. Now looking at yours over here, I can see that you are not getting your fair share here. There's still plenty of market share that you could tap into, and we can help grow your market share through SEO by focusing on improving your conversions and your click through rates. Now, for this keyword phrase, which is pain relief cream, you can see here that you are not being seen here at all because again you are not indexing here, and as you may notice, most of the products that are here are sponsored products or products that you are bidding keywords on. Now, this is just to show you that you are not indexing on the first page, or rather, all of the pages of this keyword phrase right over here. Now, we also reviewed one of your top competitors here. This is the Sombra Warm Therapy Gel. And just a disclaimer, we are not comparing products directly here. I know that there are differences when it comes to price and positioning. What we're reviewing is their keyword strategy. So they sold over 11,000 units and have generated $231,000 in sales. The difference comes down to their visibility, and looking at their distribution, you will find that they are indexing for a much higher amount of keywords. This is the reason why they had a very good outcome in Amazon. As you can see, the more keywords that you use equals the more visibility that you have in Amazon, and ultimately more sales for your product. Now, moving on to your product detail page, the look of your page will strongly affect your conversion rate. I can see that your title exceeds Amazon's new character limit, which is 75. Starting July 27, Amazon may start to shorten this automatically, which could affect your SEO, so you have to work on this. And then your bullet points and your title, don't forget to update them regularly as SEOs are not set and forget. Your image tag, you could add 6 images plus 1 video to improve your listing's visibility. And let's go down here below to your A plus content. Okay, good job utilizing large eye-catching images here. You also have crawlable text, which is really good. Let's see if you've utilized alt text. Okay, for your alt text, the tip that I can give you here is that you should add misspellings or Spanish terms, as these techniques are proven to help boost your visibility as well in Amazon. Now, those are just a few tips that I can share with you for today. If you'd like to learn more, feel free to book a free consultation using the book a call button at the end of the video, and you'll get to speak with an Amazon expert. My Amazon Guy is a full service digital marketing agency. We manage over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend, driving more than $1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. So, whether you are losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data back driven strategies that deliver real results for you.